electronics and water don't really mix all that well. And the housings that we have to have just make it so much more difficult to actually build our systems, build the electronics, test the electronics, build and test our optics. The fact that we have to always have that barrier between what's inside the unit and the outside world, which in this case is the ocean, it always makes it tricky to put things together. I'm Evan Wheat. I'm the engineering manager for the manufacturing and test team here at Voyis. It's really just a high level of training for the technical staff who are putting together the products, being diligent with our instructions, and having a really good setup for assembly and test procedures, and really putting a lot of effort into making sure that the results that we get from our testing are representative of the full product, and always double checking before it goes out.